Hi, welcome to Sruthi Lakshmi's virtual class. Today we are going to learn how to multiply a number by 5. Instead of multiplying 38 by 5, we could multiply 38 by 10 and then divide it by 2, which is much more easier than multiplying it by 5. 38 times 5. First, multiply 38 with 10. 38 with 10. So 38 times 10 is 380. Next we do 380 divided by 2. 380 divided by 2 is 190. So 38 times 5 is 190. Let's try another example. 536 times 5. So it's basically 536 times 10 by 2. First multiply 536 times 10. 536 times 10 is 5360. And next divide 5360 by 2. 5360 divided by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2, write down the 2 and carry the 1. So now it's 13. 2 times 6 is 12. So write down the 6 and carry the 1. So now it's 16. 2 times 8 is 16. So write down the 8 and write down the 0 as it is. So 536 times 5 is 2680. Let's try another example. 8246 times 5. So it's basically 8246 times 10 by 2. First multiply 8246 with 10. So we basically add a 0 to the end. So it's 82460. Next we divide it by 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. So write down the 4. 1 times 2 is 2. 1. So 2 times 2 is 4. And 3 times 2 is 6. And write down the 0 as it is. So 8246 times 5 is 41230. Let's try another example. 68573 times 5. Since 10 by 2 is equivalent to 5, so it's basically 68573 times 10 by 2. First multiply 68573 times 10, which is 685,730. Any number that you multiply by 10, you just add a 0 in the end. Next we divide it by 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. So the 2 times 2 is 4. So write down the 2 and carry the 1. Now it's 17. So 2 times 8 is 16. So write down the 8 and carry the 1. So now it's 13. So 2 times 6 is 12. So write down the 6 and carry the 1. So 2 times 5 is 10. So write down the 5. So 68573 times 5 is 3, 4, 2, 8, 6, 5.
Thanks for watching.